Hello viewers, I am starting a new video playlist based on the Microsoft Excel. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. How to open Microsoft Excel from Windows Start menu. Click on the Start button. Now write the search bar Microsoft Excel. Click on Excel app and it will open the Microsoft Excel. Now click on the blank sheet of Excel and it will open a new Excel sheet. An Excel worksheet is made of individual cells, each of which has a unique reference. If we click on the cell B3, which means that the cell is column B and row number is 3. Thank you viewers. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for getting new videos.